Hello reception, we are ready for game number 2 in our kitchen. So for game 2 we are playing Egg Box Addition and we are learning to add two numbers together. So I want to know today, can you write a number equation? Can you write your numerals, your digits correctly? And do you add together by combining your objects or do you add together by counting on? Okay, so that's what we're going to think about today. So what do we need? We need our egg box again, that's what we're using. So in my egg box, as before, I have my numbers written. Okay, I've got numbers 1 to 15 in my egg box. Now we also need a little ball or a pom-pom, but I didn't have either of those things. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of paper and I've scrunched it up. So I've got a little piece of paper and I've scrunched it up, and that's what we're going to use for our ball. I need 2 of them. So I've got a pink and an orange one. I've scrunched it really hard, and that's our balls, and we're going to use these to add together. So job number 1, I'm going to put my egg box a little bit further away. I'm going to throw my ball and see if it lands in the egg box on a number. 1, 2, 3, go! Have another try. No, one more go. No, it's gone all the way around there. Let's try that again. Have to get it right this time. Yes. One more go. 1, 2, 3. Nearly. Yes, I've got my numbers in. Let's see what we've got. So one of my balls landed on number 8 and one landed on number 12. And we're going to add those together. So when we add, we use a symbol. I wonder if you remember what it is. Yes, it is this one. Can you do that with your hands? We are adding. We are putting them together. Okay. So we are adding. It looks like that. We use the word add or addition. And when we add together and we put them together, we then use this symbol. This is our equal symbol. And it's when we see what our numbers are all together, our equal symbol. So we have 8 and 12 to add up. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we do that with our objects. So I have here, this way around, my part whole model. I've just quickly drawn this. You can quickly draw one at home too. So I'm going to put my numbers in here and combine them together to work out our answer. So I'm going to pop that down, just move that out of the way so you can see. My first number was 8, so I'm going to use my cereal from the game before to help me with my adding. So I need 8 pieces of cereal on this part of my part whole model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this half, I threw a number 12, so I need to put 12 pieces of cereal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I've used my parts and now we're going to be adding them together. So I want to know how much we have all together by putting it all into the hole. So in they go into the hole. But that is actually really tricky to add like this. I worry I'll make mistakes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count and line them up as I go so I don't make a mistake. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 8 and 12 added together makes 20. I'm going to write that number equation down. So I had 8. I'm going to use my number line to help me make sure I get my number formation right. Flatter. So I'm going to have 8 and I was adding. So I'm going to add and I added 12. That was my second number. 1 and a 2 equals. So that is my number sentence 8. Add 12 equals. How much did it equal all together? That was 20. On my number line. I want to get my numbers the right way round. 20. 8 add 12 equals 20. So you can have fun playing that game just like that. Or you can practice your addition in a different way by counting on. So I'm just going to put these back in the bowl and show you how I would do that. It's a bit harder, so do not worry if this is too hard. You can stick to the part-whole model. If you want a challenge, you can try this. So again, I need my balls and my egg box. And again, I'm going to throw and see if I'm better at it this time and see what I get. See if my balls get in my egg box. I get number 7 and 7 and 13. I'm going to add these together. When I add by counting on, I like to start with my greater number, the number that is larger. So which is larger, 7 or 13? Looking on my number line, which comes, there's 7 all the way along here. There's 13. 13 is the greater number. So I am going to start with 13 and then add on my 7 because it's easier to count on when you add the larger number. So on my paper, I'm going to start with my 13 and I'm going to add on my 7. 13 add 7 equals, and this is how I do it. I'm going to put the 13 in my head. I'm going to put the 7 on my fingers and I'm going to count on from the 13. So I'm going to start by getting my 7 fingers ready. 7 fingers, and I put 13 in my head. I go 13, 13, 13, 13 and I count on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. My answer is 20. 13 add 7 equals 20. And that is egg box addition.